What's up guys, you're watching Set Technologies and today our topic is the Instagram. How do you just switch your personal account to your Instagram professional account? And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Let's go to the topic without wasting the time, and I'm going to share my screen on my left side. Here we go to the account and here's the setting. You just scroll down in the bottom. Here you are, account type and a tools. You just tap on the account type and a tool, switch to professional account. You just tap on a switch to professional account, switch to a free professional account. You can switch a free to professional account, and here learn about your followers, reach more people, get new contact options. And here you just select your professional account about your profession: art, musician, blogger, digital creator, education, gamer, which one you want to just check in and press OK. You check. I'm just going to check an artist, and here is a creator and a business. If you're a creator, tap on a creator, and if you have a business, you just have a business. Connect to the Facebook and you just log into the Facebook. Here you are, get inspired and grow. Get inspired, and what would you like to see more? And these are settings: leads, message, what you want more viewers or messages, and that's how. And here you have your professional dashboard and all the setting is here. So simply that's how you can switch your personal account to your professional account. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like.